Okay, I'm back again on a new video reaction. So 1 hour ago, Commander Royce, aka Igwe Butuzor, according to the platform, what the platform identify, itself. So I'm gonna address him based on the name that the platform bear. I'm not here to give anybody name. So like most of you knows him, and he says something very very interesting. But before then, let me say this. I watched a video of Dada Rama today, a short video that she made in her workplace. Everybody have right to do or say whatever they want to say. You have right to believe what you want to believe on. Everybody have to handle issues differently. Some some are somehow emotional based on situation on ground. I'm not a cabinet member. I'm not here. I'm not in any group or any form, any system that makes decision for Biafran or Indigo. I'm just like an average person, ordinary person, like most of you that are watching this video. So, Aladarama was kind of adding him. If you want to lead a movement like this, or you want to be part and part of that, you remove emotion. If you are not strong, this is something. It is not village meeting or homeowner meeting, kindred meeting, or age grade meeting, or church meeting, peers group. No, it's not. This is something that if you are not mentally tough, you are not in. That's why most of us are not even in it, because there's no need for you to get involved on something that you cannot handle. Do you understand it? So that's it. I want to stop there because this video is not about Adadorama. So before you go into the write-up of Commander Royce, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. I want to hear from you. Tell me what you think about what the video is all about. So, he said, Biafrans, this is what I mean when I said I stopped BDF from operation. Makon Anna Beko has stopped operation. Some of you are saying, no, it is not true. They stopped operating. They stop doing anything. He's here telling you that. Go to his platform, you see. Commander Ross, go to his S handle, read his post, recent one. He said it before and he repeating it again, even though their group refused to accept. They stop it just to prove that, okay, I'm going to come and do it now. So, meaning that all the blood of people being by now is deliberate. And somebody want to add a mention to that. Oh, Commander Ross, come and do it. I am not one of the anybody because I'm not a member as a civilian or as an indigene, as a citizen of an Igbo, of Biafra. I can never ever, if someone give me a good anybody in Okunan, I will never ever beg for Royce to or Butuzor to do anything. That's not me. I'm that kind of person that if you don't want me, I don't want you. Are you getting the point? If one or your and all once can imagine once. Nobody wants to die. Nobody's calling for death of anybody. But some of this kind of attitude is laughable. And I'm coming to that. Just pay attention. This is not a hatred on anybody. But sometimes our people are the one creating problem for ourselves in the name that you are, glorifying something, and you get to a point that you don't even know what to say. This is a problem. A very, very, very big problem. You can't run a government with this. Never, ever. If you like, drive one full and leaning out from southern part of Nigeria. You can't have a government with this kind of mentality. We are getting there. Let me just read it for you. Let me take it again so that because I don't want to interrupt so you understand it. Biafrans, this is what I mean when I said I stopped that Biafran Defense Force from operation. Now you can see clearly what could have happened. What could happen where? Read. He said, 1, if we would have continued then, these people would have told you all that their recruited army are the one doing the job. Now my order to BDF have exposed them. Ask them, where are the armies Ngozi Orebeze and that pig Solomon promised them. Now after the disturbances in my DM, they have decided to come out openly to call on Igwe Butuzor for help. Many Biafrans don't know how smart I am. So it's all about you. They think they are smart. Ochi, images, Ochi Konachi here. Two, listen. Two, please, when I made any decision, don't counter it because I studied Igbos very well and I know how to deal with them very well. Igbos love the hard way. Now there is fire on the mountain in the camp of Ngozi and COS with Ochi mocking. Third, I am the master planner. I will be their end. Igwe Butuzor, aka Commander Royce. One thing, okay, before then, let me go to the celebration because, of course, the comment like this post will generate a lot of celebration from Ogenkere camp. This is their tactics. Number one, no matter the criminality of Ogenkere, anything at all, Royce is here to defend it in name of because he's the head and everything. Very, very, very fun indeed. Listen, he said, "You are not only sounding stupid." Okay, so the first comment. I swear you are very stupid, and I don't believe this is the almighty Butuzor I respected so much. Whenever my sweet commander gentle hail him, if this is Butuzor, then we are doomed as a nation, or we have to look for another reliable commander. What did I tell you when I started doing this? That no matter, even if you succeeded in driving Fulani anything at all, and you have this kind of person, I swear, you are in for a long journey. Hold on. The person said, write down our chief angel and your team. Ngozi, corruption has caused a lot of havoc in this race. Now, the question is, who caused havoc here? Somebody stop people that are meant to defend the land. You ignore the person and start pointing a good finger on Ngozi. Ike gokwa nakwa ege ntị and Igbo agwa nke everybody we're gonna ewu iche. He said the person said who is this one? They are struggling to buy Butuzor. The template was to loan him with finance which they took over by force. Butuzor did not follow them. The English in instead of follow them, say follow the, because he is fighting for his people. The illiteracy and stupidity of these people is shocking. The person that took the money by force, you ignore that, and we're talking about the person who wants to start from scratch. And the same people that are claiming they're not commanding anything are the ones stopping the recruitment. That's not a fact. Go again. They said, Biafran will forever be grateful that you act in time. You spoke up in time. That you did not allow the most of interest you with their blood money. Thank you, General Butuzor. They can only scam people with the name of man who cannot speak for himself, not one who can. All these things will still go back to square one. It's a matter of time. Okay, for this mentality. Because what these people have tested now is even if PM come out now, they can do the same thing to PM. And let me tell you, had Master be released and why PM is here, this is what they have done to PM. They would have done Master is the person, which is good. I'm not against it, which is very, very good. Master being the person, fine. But remember, the person that schooled you, that point is this. And that brings me to what I want to say. I don't want to read the comment again because it's just yes and no comment. I suppose my guess, which is normal. This is democracy. I hate to see anybody being back. That's me. Whether commander, civilian, anybody. Or catch a with them on n'aka ndị mama, ndị ugwu. Nke a na-agbawa obi. But if a commander and people who have been, in the helm of affair of this security or all these things, watching what is going on and they're laughing just to prove a point, according to him, Alumekwe, I'm telling you gospel truth, Alume. I don't want to share something here. There's something I wanted to say. But believe it or not, Ogenkere will strive. He will progress with this people, this thing. Biafran will now turn out of what is going on, out of sentiment. They will turn in support of him. That's where the way I'm saying it now. They will turn in support of him, but they will later regret it. Regret it in a massive way. Because anytime that it's no longer in your hand, you will be like somebody who lives in North Korea. That is what it will turn out to be. What is this? But that is not the fact. So expect the unexpected. I will make a video later about the ESN. What happened before. I just want to react on this video alone. So let us just leave it here. What do you think about what he said? What's your take? I would like to hear from you. A lot is to be said here, but let us not run further than our shadow. Whatever may be, let it be. That's me. I am not part of. I am not part of anybody calling for anybody who do. No. I don't do that. People that are in the struggle, they can do whatever they want to do. They are the one leading. My own is to, react. Nothing more. Those who have power will do the needful. But it's unfortunate. Very, very, very unfortunate. So sad, to be honest with you. Anyway, tell me what you think. I just want to make a quick reaction, like I said. Like the video and tell me what you think about it. What is your take? I want an Africa. Take care.